Sofia is the capital of Bulgaria. It holds many cathedrals like Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, this one that we're walking in. This is St. Sophia Church. It is the oldest church in the city. Did you know that this city is actually named after this church? This is the Russian church St. Nicholas.
I'm lying on the moon, my dear, I'll be there.
Korali Hot Springs is just on the outside of Sofia, Bulgaria. The water is so warm and relaxing, we spent almost a whole day here.
Times we're swallowed up in space and we're a million miles away. There's things I wish I knew. There's no thing I'd keep from you. It's a dark and shiny place, but with you, my dear, I'm safe and we're a million miles.
This pool was better for swimming and diving because it was much deeper. We had an amazing time in this pool.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has
Plovdiv is the second largest city in Bulgaria. It is known as the cultural capital of Bulgaria. It has more of a lively feel to me when I was walking through its streets.
Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But never,
This is the Roman theater of Pilipolis. It is one of Plovdiv's main attractions and one of the best preserved Roman theaters.
I should have stayed with you last night.
This is the Ethnographic Chips Museum. It has a beautiful garden in front of the building.
I think I run away sometimes whenever I get too vulnerable. That's not your fault. See, I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. Oh, heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Say what's the matter with me? What's the matter with me? Oh, I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me now. Oh, I wish.
Plovdiv is our favorite city in Bulgaria. We enjoyed walking around the old town. We will always remember this city.
Every time it gets too real, and every time I feel like sabotaging, and I start running. Oh, and every time I push away, I really wanna say that I'm sorry, but I say nothing. I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside.
This is our first day in the Black Sea. We went for a walk with Max's new best friend, Alfie. He is our Canadian friend's dog. We eventually got our new scooters and rolled around the big Bulgarian flag we found. This is called an Ixat. It's a taxi backwards with two people on a scooter. If you're wondering, yes, we did make that word up.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be.
This is Buzzloja. It holds what looks like an alien ship. It is located on the top of a mountain with a gorgeous view. We took a little hike around the alien ship.
Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long. Want you all night long. Want you watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long, want you all night long. all night long. Want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love.
Here are our Canadian friends from Montreal, the Bohemians.
Baby, give me all your love. Baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love.
Stay tuned for our next video. We are now taking our COVID test before crossing a border to a new country.